What it do, two-time gang? It's your boy Two-Time Moto TV, and we back with another beautiful day, man. Can't complain out here. Still winter time, but it feel like it's springtime. We know that spring creeping up on us, man. And we got the Vic out here. A little dirty, but you guys get the point, man. I'm basically bringing you guys a muffler video today, tell you guys what setup I got and what I plan to do this week. And you guys stay tuned for the next upcoming videos, because I will be probably busting out this whole exhaust system, either doing something different or fixing this horrible exhaust leak that I got, because the car can sound way better than this, man. But I got an exhaust leak that's terrible on both sides. I'm gonna let you guys hear it. You guys can even see that it's not even bolted up and matching straight. My pipes are hanging down a little bit. I want them tucked up underneath the car, man. I don't like that look. So yeah, that's gonna be another thing. I'm gonna get everything buttoned up. I basically had to change my catalytic converters a couple years ago, maybe about 2 years ago, and I just got the guy just to hurry up and try to bolt me up something so that I can pass inspection. We're not allowed to have any kind of check engine lights down here, so I had to make sure that everything was buttoned up. I did want it to delete the rear two catalytic converters, but doing my research and stuff, it will throw a check engine light code, and I'm not the kind of guy that like to have a check engine light on my car, because you would never know when another problem is occurring, because you always have a check engine light on, so you tend to not really, you know what I'm saying, diagnose your vehicle. So as of now, I don't have any kind of check engine light, and I will go through what I got pipe wise. So as you guys can see, I got some brand new catalytic converters, which these are true duals. So I have a 3-inch pipe on both sides, which this is the factory pipe. I think it's like 2 1/4 or 2 3/4, leading into a whole 3-inch pipe. These are single chamber flow masters, 40 series single chamber flow masters. If you want a distinctive sound without going straight pipe, the 40 series single chamber flow masters is the best way to go. It only has one chamber inside the muffler, so it's the closest thing to straight pipe as you can get with a distinctive sound, with a flow master sound. So that's the reason why I ran with this setup. Everybody has the big 40 series flow masters, you know, like the true 40s or whatever. I decided to run with those because I did want a different sound. I'm tired of all Crown Vic sounding the same. So yes, I do have a 3-inch pipe running straight to those single chamber 40 series flow masters. I have 2 of them, all the way out to 4-inch tips. Y'all can see she breathing nice. Look, all the condensation and stuff all on my daggone camera. Look at that. But anyway, yeah, I do want to change those cone pipes too. So what I'm gonna do this week, I'm gonna probably order some new tips, or if I don't have to order, if I can just find it, I'm gonna get some new tips. I'm tired of the cone shape. What I mean by cone shape is that it has this angle here, and it's almost shaped like a cone. So those pipes are pretty huge too. As y'all can see, it goes all the way right there. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with some smaller tips that are circular, kind of like the Mercury Marauder. Give it a better, cleaner, more flawless look. I want to go with black also. Since the car is black, I'm trying to get rid of all the chrome. The chrome doesn't really match anything on the vehicle, so that's gonna be deleted as well. But like I said, guys, what I may want to run with, I may want to go with the catback system. So just basically how you see it right now, from the cats all the way back straight pipe. That's what I'm thinking about doing, but then I'm gonna start sounding like every other Crown Vic out here that is straight pipe. So what I may do is I may keep the system and just button up those exhaust leaks, because it sounds horrible, guys. Like the leaks, you can hear it ticking on both sides. Both sides are butted up the same. Matter of fact, let me go on the other side. See, these flanges are buttoned up. It doesn't have a gasket or anything in the inside of it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the guy to cut me all the way back here. Let me see if you guys can see that. where it's not rusted at, get them to cut all the way back there and run me a fresh line. Oh man, I want to delete those 2 rear cats so bad, man. But like I said, it's gonna throw a check engine light, and I'm not about that life. So, but yeah, guys, that's my setup. 3-inch pipe from the catalytic converters all the way to the 40 series single chamber flow masters, and from behind the single chamber 40 series flow masters, 3-inch pipe running all the way to 4-inch tips. So this week I will be changing that. Like I said, either button up that exhaust leak, or I will be chopping out them 40 series flow masters. So if I do cut them off, I may decide to, you know, do a giveaway and give those 40 series to one lucky subscriber or whatever, or one lucky viewer. So or I may just accept Cash App and sell them for like $40 for both of them or something like that, so I can continue to do projects with the car. And then that'll kind of, you know, refund me for what I'm gonna do to get this exhaust system buttoned up. But yeah, guys, that's the whole setup, man. I know the car is kind of dirty, I'm sorry, but just thought I'd bring you guys this video to tell y'all what's up and coming this week and what to look out for. So if you guys want a raw sounding Crown Vic, I will suggest to go with 40 series single chamber flow masters. So I'm gonna set the camera up. There is a police officer that's on the other side of this parking lot. So I'm gonna have to be careful, man. But I know he gonna come over here just as soon as I start revving up the car, because he don't know what I'm doing. But hey, only thing I can do is just tell him what I'm doing, and hopefully I get away with it. But anyway, I'm gonna set it up. Make sure you guys can see that. Give y'all guys a couple revs. Yeah, guys, it sounds like that she's skipping a little bit, but it's just because of that exhaust leak. It tones down the note a little bit. Look, here's a tire right here. Yeah, guys, we got to be careful with stuff like this. But yeah, if I didn't have that exhaust leak, guys, I know that this car would sound 10 times better. So I'm kind of in between whether I just want to button up that exhaust leak and keep those 40 series single chamber flow masters, or just delete them all together and also button up that exhaust leak and change the tips out, so it'd be like more of a raw sound. But yeah, also I'm gonna get a K&N air filter, not the intake. Remember I was telling you guys that robs power from your car, because I had one at one point in time and taking it off, because yeah, the throttle response was there and it did make the pipe sound better, it made the engine a lot louder, but it robbed a lot of power from me. So I'm gonna go with the K&N air filter. Then I'm gonna probably do a test run with it with the Vic on 8s, and then that'll be another video in itself. So yeah, guys, there's a lot of stuff that I plan on doing that's real tedious, that, you know, I can let you guys know whether it made a difference or not, either with the way the car sounds or the way the car performs. So yeah, guys, that's the end of this video, man. We about to head up out of here. 2-Time Moto TV out. Make sure y'all comment below, man, and let me know what y'all think I should do. Should I straight pipe it with the 3-inch pipe? Because it's gonna sound different regardless. I don't think too many guys do the 3-inch pipe. I think they just really just, you know, straight pipe it with what they got. I may even put an X pipe or like an H pipe in there too, to give it a more distinctive sound, and then straight pipe it. So yeah, man, you guys comment below, let me know what y'all think, what I should do, and we're gonna go from there. So 2-Time Moto TV out, and I hope y'all have a great rest of the day. Peace.